I'm about to run to the grocery store real quick. Your brother is in charge. Y'all better not be acting a fool.
Okay.
All right. Today, if you need me, let me know.
Yeah, all right.
Who was that?
Zayda, stop playing. That was you.
No, it wasn't.
Stop playing. You do too much.
Was it?
Zayda, go check. You're the oldest.
Me? Y'all go check.
Us?
What?
How about we all go together?
Wait, let's go grab a weapon.
Great idea.
Hey, somebody turn on the light. I think it's coming from the closet. Why is the attic door open?
Oh, heck no.